talk about what we asked.
Okay, my name is Racheal Gloria Ayoo. I am a legal officer working with the Uganda Coffee Development Authority. Today we had an engagement with coffee stakeholders in Lira City and Lira District on the provisions of the National Coffee Act number 17 of 2021, which was passed into law on the 13th of September 2021. We needed to have this engagement because we wanted to create awareness to our coffee stakeholders on, first of all, the enactment of this law, and to let them know that this law is in force. One of the reasons why we thought it was necessary, specifically for the people of Lango to know about this law, is because we realized that a majority of them were actually not aware about the existence of this law, and therefore that means they were also not aware about the existence of UCDA and the mandate that UCDA has to oversee the entire coffee value chain, that is from the farm to the cup. One of the challenges, or a number of the challenges that this law seeks to deal with, one, to help fill in the gaps that the previous law, which is the Uganda Coffee Development Authority Act, did not cover. For example, the penalties, we have a number of vices that have been creeping up in the coffee subsector, like drying coffee on the bare ground, which affects the quality of our coffee. So this law has come up with a number of penalties that it enacted to penalize those who do not comply with those laws. And then secondly, this law creates or gives UCDA the mandate to register coffee farmers, coffee exporters, everyone along the coffee value chain. And the reason why UCDA is mandated to register is so that our coffee value chain actors are given better support, better support from UCDA in terms of extension, in terms of provision of quality inputs like fertilizers, and also in terms of making sure that we have a database of all the coffee stakeholders. And the other thing that this law brings forward is to ensure that domestic coffee consumption is promoted overall in the whole country, because we want to make sure that our people are able to consume our coffee, so that we provide market for our coffee from within Uganda, much as we also export, so that we are able to stabilize the prices of coffee, and in the end we improve on the prices that our coffee farmers get. Thank you.
At the moment, do you think Uganda coffee is now fit for the market, for outside market?
Yes, Uganda coffee is fit for the market because UCDA has, through a number of mechanisms and procedures, made sure that our coffee stakeholders comply with the standards that are set, right from the farm to the cup. So UCDA oversees the production of the seeds to the nurseries, to the farms, post-harvest handling. We also make sure that even the coffee stores where our coffee is stored and the warehouses are up to standard, and all this is done to maintain the quality of our coffee.